Chapter 8, Friday, 10:35 a.m., Gym Class. I wasn't sure what to do in gym. Zoe had already gathered with her group of friends, which included Emily. They stood just outside the girls' locker room, gossiping and talking loudly to one another. I was on the other side of the gymnasium, standing alone until Braden joined me. "Where's Zoe?" he asked. I nodded my head in her direction. "Oh," he said, "I heard you guys arguing in art class." Staring at the floor, I made sure not to make eye contact. The fact that he heard us talking meant he might have heard about Emily's purse. "What did you hear us say?" "Everything," he sighed. I took a breath and continued studying the gymnasium floor. "Kind of shady to steal a girl's purse like that," Braden said. "Kind of shadier to put that pressure on a family member." I feigned a large smile. "Thanks. I'll be sure to remember that next time." "Told you those were the bad guys," Braden said. "Would this kid just shut up already? Look, I'm not arguing with you here, all right? Would you mind walking away?" Braden chuckled as he shook his big dumb head. Finally, he pushed himself off the wall and started walking towards the gymnasium doors. I let everyone filter out before exiting. I didn't feel like having anyone walk behind me. When I reached the track, I waited until the coast was clear before entering the ninja's secret hideout. Wyatt was already there in full uniform, as were most of the other ninjas. It was strange because they were all lined in a circle. At the center of the circle was a ninja uniform, tightly folded and resting on a small wooden table. "Welcome, brother," Wyatt's voice said from beneath his mask. "You're one of us now." I won't lie to you, all the guilt I'd felt earlier disappeared. The sun was pouring in from overhead, slipping through the leaves of trees. The ground twinkled from the specks of water left behind from the morning dew, and moist air, like diamonds, sprinkled around the hideout. The rays of light fell upon the ninja uniform as God himself had blessed the cotton it was made from. I scratched at my eyebrow, careful to hide a tear that had formed in the side of my eye. Wyatt put his arm around me. "There's a spot behind those trees for you to change your clothes. Be quick, brother. We have an important task for you when you're ready." It was everything I could do to keep from squealing like my sister on Christmas. I did my best to answer calmly, but it only came out in a rapid slur. "Sure, I'll be right back." The ninja costume fit like a glove, I tell you. It was like a finely tailored suit that a rich gentleman would special order from Europe. When I emerged from the tree, many of my ninja brothers and sisters gasped and clapped softly. I made the outfit look good, or scary. It might have been because my overly skinny body made it look like I was the Grim Reaper. Whatever. Thought strike fear into the enemies, right? Another ninja to the left of me whipped out a couple of bags of Oreos, and we continued our celebration with cookies. I don't even care how silly that sounds. Ninjas and cookies are two of the most awesome things on the planet. Of course they'd go great together. Wyatt sat by my side with a mouthful of cookie. He chewed it sloppily like a dog. "I'm thankful that you've chosen to become a member of my clan." "Are there other clans?" I asked. "No," Wyatt said. "Are you ready for the task we've specially chosen for you?" I set my Oreos down on the little table. My first job as a ninja, and in a real ninja uniform. Of course I was ready. "Yes, tell me what I must do." Wyatt paused. "Are you sure? You wear the uniform now, so you can't reject any kind of duty you're given." For a second I imagined he said duty, and I laughed. "No, I won't reject anything. Whatever you want from me, consider it done." Wyatt nodded and made a sound with his cheek. Immediately, one of the other members of the clan tossed a backpack to the ground in front of me. It was bright red with speckled straps. I studied it for a moment. I had seen a backpack like this before, but where? And then it hit me. I saw the same bag sitting by Zoe's desk earlier in the week. This was Zoe's backpack. "Why did you have to do that?" I asked. Wyatt shook his head. "Members of my clan don't ask questions when they're given a task, and yours is simple. All you have to do is take this bag to the front office." "Sneak it in there? You want me to walk through the school wearing this ninja uniform?" No, Wyatt said. That's why it'll be easy. After gym, you'll change into your normal street clothes and simply take this bag to the front desk. You'll deliver it to the principal and tell them that you found it under a bush outside. I looked at Zoe's backpack. Could it have been a coincidence? Could this just be the same bag that she has? As I scanned the side of it, I saw her name scribbled on the plastic shield, completely, with the smiley face and the O. This was definitely her bag. Vengeance, Wyatt said. Vengeance for what? Wyatt pulled his mask back and revealed his face, a face that was filled with anger. She rejected our offer and embarrassed me in front of my clan. That cannot go unpunished. Enough questions. As a member of this clan, you must deliver this bag to the office and say nothing else of it. Do you understand? Reluctantly, I nodded. Do not open this bag, or you will suffer the same fate as your cousin, Wyatt warned. There was that same sick feeling in my gut. I almost felt like barfing.